Let me show you a simple 3-step marketing strategy for marketing any online brand that actually generates sales. Step 1, organic content. Whether it's you, your friends, your first customers, whoever, you need to create some organic content that aligns with your brand and draws your potential audience in. It's your brand's personality, it's your brand's first impression to the world. Step 1/1.5, you got to set up your email marketing system, and you should probably do this even before starting to post content, because this is how you're able to retain the audience that your content is bringing you. And without email marketing in place, you'll be a slave to the platforms, hoping that they show your content to your potential audience. So you start building your email marketing system from day zero. And in your mind, let the aim be for your content to drive people to your email list. Keep that front and center so that from the moment you start posting, you have focus on building your own customer list, which will ultimately generate more money for you than just depending on socials. And step 3, paid ads. I do not recommend paid ads for everyone, only for brands at a certain level. And even then, there's a kind of a specific way, a cool way to do paid ads in conjunction with email marketing that I haven't really seen a lot of people doing. I did it for my brand Culture Rich World, and it literally generated thousands of dollars within just a couple of days. And so paid ads is a unique strategy coupled with email marketing, but you don't even need to start with paid ads. Sidebar, a lot of the posts you see on social media about how, I started my brand and I used paid ads to scale to 6 figures. I'll be honest with you, a lot of those are either lying or they're not profitable doing that, right? So your focus right off the bat, especially if you don't have a big budget, should be creating content and building your email marketing system. And only at a certain point can you then layer ads on top of that. So if you want to learn how to build a profitable email marketing machine for your Shopify brand, for your e-commerce brand, then follow for more e-commerce email marketing tips.